Right, hi there. So here's the CNC Engraver here, which Banggood sent me to play with. I'll put a link in the description. So today I'm going to try to do the 3D relief carving in a piece of wood. You take a grayscale picture and then you can convert that into a 3D engraving. Right, so I'm going to be using the artcam software which come in the package which you had to download. It also come with a file, a grayscale image. So yeah, this is the grayscale image that they include, which is of a dragon. So yeah, we're going to try to carve that out hopefully. So I'm using a Gerber controller, which I found the easiest to use. Right, so I've got the file in the G-code sender. I'm hoping it's going to work. It just came up as a blue area. Well, anyway, I'm going to try it and see what happens. Okay, so I've got the wood set up in the CNC machine and I've got it all set ready to go, so I'm just going to click begin. Right, okay, so unfortunately it didn't quite complete. My computer had an internal error and decided to shut itself down halfway through. But as you can see, that's actually upside down, it should be that way. It does carve really nice. So I will. That's just the computer coming back on. But yeah, it comes out nice. Would have been even nicer if it completed, but yeah. Yep, so I'll definitely try this again sometime, and hopefully next time it will complete. But at the moment I haven't got enough time to try to do it again. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.